I just got a surprise from the Snap-on dealer, the one that I typically use or go to. I found a truck, found one that I like. Big fan of this. We're going to unbox this right here. And if you know, you know the SSD MR4BHV. This is good stuff, baby. That's not the glare. That's part of the Snap-on logo thingy thing graphics on here. We're going to unbox this, but first I just want to say, if you've been following the calamity of my previous Snap-on screwdriver, this isn't the best ratcheting screwdriver that exists, but I will say it is one of the most satisfying, in my opinion, when you do the little tweaks to it that I've done with the previous one. We had a regular, maybe I'll show, I will do that actually. I'll show a clip of the previous one we had. There's no fucking way. I did a few things to this since this last clip, and I think you'll be able to hear it in this comparison. Notice how that's super quiet. I got just grease for my machine grease. It's just blue grease. It's an oil-based grease. And I put it in there only after trying the regular Tetra grease and whatever, and that did absolutely nothing. So I pulled that out and I repacked this with this new grease. And that, I just think it's I got it off eBay. It's super old. We repaired it. We put a detent pin in it from something that rhymes with a Far 15, and we popped it in there and it worked. It worked great, but it slipped. You know, the gears slipped a little bit, the crank inside of it. I guess the pawls just weren't doing their job. So without further ado, we have this now, and I am super excited for that black Shank. Oh, look at that. Isn't that crazy? Here we go. Oh my God. I gotta take my sunglasses off for this. Is there anything else in here? No. So, I will say the packaging, not super satisfying, but whoa, that thing is bright. Whoa, that's bright. You got your functions, your actions, reverse, forward. Yeah, we can improve upon this. You can even feel it's dry. I mean, they use their Snap-on grease, their super lube or whatever. I feel like it's only necessary to show you this in the sun. They weren't kidding with the high visibility in 2025. Unboxing incoming. Look at that thing. Black Shank. This is no longer black. You know, I will say, I like the yellow and black better, and maybe we'll do something with that. Maybe we'll do little swaps of daisy. This could be easier to... You just gotta figure it out. It looks like we've got some bits in there. That is magnificent. The black shank is cool. I paid, what, $22 or $32 for that? And it didn't work, and I just put a detent pin in there. Let's see if we can do this. Yeah. Now, the trick, I'm going to say, oh, there's 6 bits in there. I'm going to say the trick would be to get some type of magnetic plug to pop in there. Got your typical standard PH1, PH2, slotted 1, slotted 2. And then here you're going to have, what, square? Probably square bits. I don't really fill this with like tissue paper or something. I kind of think I want to heft it up a little bit. That's cool. These I'm not going to keep in there. I hate hearing them shake around. I don't love that. So we're going to move that. But I haven't used Snap-on's bits in a while. So I think I will give this a shot. See how I like it, just for now. Yeah, you got your regular bits right there. So I'm going to try this out. It's just I know I haven't been pleased with it in the past. There is no O-ring here anymore. The O-ring's on the inside. Well, there's always been that O-ring on the inside, but no like washer or buffer right there. What I like about this, and the thing I hated about mine, was this hat, this top part, the crank, the gear right there, the selector switch, if you will. The selector switch, if you will. If you spun it, it would like crown up. And that was by design, but this is a much better design. Wow, this thing is bright. Like, I don't think the video's doing it justice. This thing glows, which is cool. The black shank is more of gunmetal, but whoo. Let me know what else you guys want. Drop a comment down below. The next video, we're going to be taking this apart, doing what we need to do to it, and that's that. So there we go. Have fun. I'll see you later. Don't die. Hey there, it's Matt from the future. We just used this all day. Here's the wear. A little bit, not too bad. I do have to oil this. It just feels so empty and ghost-like compared to the other one, how I had it going. Or that's going to be the next video, so subscribe if you want to see that. I just wanted to make a little intermission of the unboxing and let you know I use this. It's nice. It glows in the sun. Maybe we'll show you a quick video of it in the sun, or maybe we already have. But using the Milwaukee bits, I'm going to probably get the DeWalt impact rated bits. I like this length on there. When it's too short, it's too short. The Snap-on bits kind of suck. I don't like them. This magnet isn't that strong. The magnetism in the bits is stronger than this, so they end up sticking in places and they separate from it. This, good combo. Good combo. I will say the Milwaukee bits are okay. Not too bad. So just throwing it out there. Yep. It doesn't rattle either because I removed everything. Like a G.